So the line clipping concepts we were talking in the previous session. A line clipping algorithm process each line in a scene through a series of test and intersection calculation to determine whether the entire line or any part of it is to be saved. So the content to be saved, the content of the line segment falls inside the rectangle should be saved, and rest of the things should be simply ignored or deleted while redrawing. There are various algorithms we have to perform the line clipping. Algorithm in the sense mechanisms. So one algorithm is Liang-Barsky algorithm and other one is the Cohen-Sutherland. Okay, Cohen-Sutherland algorithm, line clipping algorithm. Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm is one of the portion. It's there for your CG lab as well. Let us briefly see the overview of it. Okay, Liang-Barsky algorithm is not there for you. Just keep that in mind. Two mechanisms available, well-known mechanisms for line clipping to perform the line clipping. That is, one is Liang-Barsky and other one is the Cohen-Sutherland. We will move on to the Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm. So Cohen-Sutherland, let me tell you the overview of it. Here, just concentrate here. See, you have to define a rectangle first. Okay, assume it is a rectangle. Fine. This rectangle has got four boundaries, right? Boundaries left, right. This is the left boundary. This is the right boundary. The top boundary as well as bottom boundary. So each of the boundary is identified by an outcode. Please remember, each of the boundary here as per the Cohen-Sutherland algorithm is identified by an outcode. Okay, outcode. We are using the 4-bit code for that. 2, 4, 6 and 8 are the values we are using for that. Okay, we'll consider the entire program later. Why this coding or outcode computation is required? See, outcode computation which helps us to find whether the region falls inside, whether the particular portion of the line segment falls inside or outside that particular thing or code what you have defined. Okay, so please remember, left, right, top as well as bottom are the four regions or boundaries you need to consider for a rectangle. Once this rectangle is considered, you are supposed to ask the user to enter an endpoint. Okay, enter the endpoints of the line segment. Please remember, it is not a point clipping algorithm, it is the line clipping algorithm. For line, how many points are required? 2 points. Endpoints are must for defining a line segment, isn't it? You are supposed to ask the user to enter 2 different endpoints to draw a line segment. So this is the first endpoint. Please remember, concentrate carefully. Each endpoint is a two-dimensional. It's a two-dimensional program. What we are two-dimensional line segment. What we are discussing about. So each endpoint which contains 2 parameters, x and y. Suppose it can be 50, 50. What does it means? X parameter x1, y1. Let us call it as x0, y0 or x1, y1, whatever you call. Okay. X1, y1, if it is there, let it called as x1, y1, then x1, y1 value will be 50 and 50 respectively. You are supposed to provide one more value. What is the other one? Let it be 100, 100 or 120, 120. Okay, 120 and 120. Whatever the value it can be for the line segment. So total number of parameters or input values you are supposed to give to the system. How much? Count 1, 2, 3 and 4. First 2 values are x1, y1 values. Third and fourth values are x2, y2 value. Okay. After the rectangle clipping window is defined, you are supposed to provide the input line segment for the system. Suppose the input line segment which comes here, assume this is what the input line segment what you have given after defining the rectangle. Assume this is the rectangle, here the rectangle is defined, line segment is defined. Observe the line segment carefully, whether any of the region of the line segment falls outside the rectangle. Of course, which portion? Let me highlight it for your reference purpose again. See, this particular portion of the line segment which falls outside the clipping window, right? So if it falls outside the clipping window, then what is to be done? You have to redraw the line segment by defining a new clipping window. Yeah, this is what the portion, hope it is visible. This portion should be clipped off. So let me redraw the clipping window. Here I will draw, okay, concentrate. So this is what the new clipping window is. What is the line segment? First point, check the first point. What is the first point? This is what the, here, right? This is what the first point. Whether any changes are required? Of course no, right? It falls inside the region only. No need to change any of the value. Suppose this is what the first point is. Keep as it is. Till here you are supposed to draw the line segment, right? Till the boundary of the top region of the rectangle you are supposed to redraw. This is what the line segment as well as the clipping window after performing the clipping operation. Concentrate carefully. The calculation part should involve test process. What are the tests? First is defining the boundary, left, right, top as well as bottom boundaries to be defined. Then test is to be conducted. What kind of test? Whether it crosses the left region or left boundary, whether the input line segment crosses the bottom boundary, whether the input line segment crosses the right boundary, as well as whether the input line segment crosses the top boundary, right? 4 different regions you have defined. So for 4 different regions, test should be performed. Boundary test, the boundary one, whether it crosses the boundary or not, you have to test. If not, keep that line, don't go for alteration. If it crosses, then you need to perform some calculation to remove or delete the portion outside the boundary. Getting no? If it crosses, you have to perform the mechanism, or you have to have some calculation to clip off those portion of the line segment. That's it. Very simple strategy, right? Watch the video again. So note down the things. This is one of the very important topic. Okay, Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm is a part of our CG lab as well. I think I have already shared the lab manual. Okay, if required, I'll be sharing it once again. Just go through the experiment, that Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm once. Okay, and note down these things. If you have any doubt, you ask. Let's continue our discussion in the next session. Thank you for watching.